a modern supply chain operation manager. He is in need of a proper distribution of goods he is producing, and here the importance of logistics and supply chain management lies. He tries to find out if it is important to learn this course in brief. It is an industry's basic requirement that as the goods need to be procured, stored and dispatched perfectly. Effective and efficient business management plays a significant role in the current business world. Logistics typically denotes the activities that occur with the boundaries of an organization, whereas the supply chain refers to the network of different companies that work together without a coordination to deliver the right products in the market. A candidate who is well equipped with comprehensive and integrated knowledge on logistics can give a strong competition in the job market. An adequate understanding of logistics and supply chain will assist a company by boosting effective planning, procurement, stock management, pricing, and distributions. This sophisticated knowledge will also help to maximize work efficiency and productivity. Now Ruth Medlow is quite sure that he needs to learn the fundamentals of logistics and supply chain management system. Though he tried hard to get the assistance of eminent organization but failed to have. Suddenly he comes to know about Promise Training and Consultancy, which is a leading organization to make someone highly compliant to the facts he wants to. Ruth joins the courses and quickly becomes an efficient organizer at the affairs of his own firm. Do you want to become an efficient professional? Approach the professional courses of Promise Training and Consultancy to know the attributes. For more details, call at 97143877358.